Hello everyone, happy crafting Friday. Today's tutorial is gonna be very simple. Let me show you how I transform an empty bottle of wine into a beautiful accent decoration for a birthday party. All you need for this tutorial is an empty bottle of wine or any kind of bottle, glue, yarn, and a brush to apply the glue. As you can see, I'm applying the glue to the bottle. The most important thing for this is to hold the yarn tight against the bottle. You don't want the yarn to be loose. Finishing it up, I'm cutting the yarn and I'm putting a lot of glue to secure it at the bottom. I'm also going to add bling on the top. This is my second one. I already did a purple one. Now I'm starting a third one. I tied the yarn on the top and I put a lot of glue also. This camera view allows you to see better how I apply the glue to the bottle with my brush and also how tight I hold the yarn against the bottle. And here they are. They came out so beautiful. I made two of each color and I also added a couple of butterflies. And here you can see how beautiful they look decorating each table at the birthday party. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.